my little sister, to be a good and a best sister in the world for you. Before you sleep, I'm gonna tell you a story about a big animal and a small animal. The big animal is the lion and the small animal is mouse. One day, a lion was sleeping under the sun. A mouse came from the back of a tree, and the mouse climbed up the lion's body. When he arrived at the lion's neck, he slid down and it waked up the lion. The lion caught him with his big paw, and the mouse was scared and said to the lion, "Be kind of me, I will help you one day." And the lion let him go. One day, the mouse was walking in the forest and he saw the lion or the king of jungle was tied to a tree. He go there and worked to help the lion. He chewed the rope and the lion say to the mouse, "Oh, thank you so much, mouse. I don't know what should I do if there is no you. Will you be my best friend?" he asked. And then the mouse said, "Yes, yes, sure." And they be a best friend forever. The moral of the story is, if you be kind to people, the people will be kind back to you. But if you be bad to people, the people will be back to you, or what you do to people was back to you. Thank you. Bye.